So we are coming to assemble this suction, self-suction type feed crusher, a 500 kg per hour feed crusher, feed grinder. Yeah, so just unbox them. This is how it looks like. So coming to assemble it. I have the motor in there, so we will assemble, then we just see how it looks like. So this is the funnel that feed out, that brings out the feed after grinding. And then this is the main grinding chamber with the suction tubes and all, with some sieve mesh. Yeah, so I have, this is 5 mm, no 6 mm. I have 1 mm, 2 mm. So this is our motor. That's the power rating, 2,800 R per minute, 6.8 horsepower, 13.8 amps, 50 hex, 220 volts. So this is how it is going. The motor is fixed now with the belts. Yeah. So this is the adjusting nut. So right now that I'm done, I have to harden the motor. So I'm going to harden the motor from this end. The chamber for crushing. That is the chamber for crushing. So finally done. That is the whole picture. Our suction tube here, the main crusher, then it drops out outlets. The inlet is the suction, and then the outlet from here.